Good day everyone. Today I'm going to discuss to you about unit circle pertaining to our initial side and terminal side of the given angle measure. If the given angle has a positive measurement, the rotation is counterclockwise. And if the given angle has a negative measurement, the rotation will be clockwise. This is the initial side and this is the terminal side. As you can see, this is positive angle rotation, therefore the rotation is counterclockwise. Well, for this one, since this is negative angle rotation, therefore the rotation will be clockwise. Let's have a clear illustration. For this one, we have the angle AOB. The initial side is OA, while the terminal side is OB. For positive angle, as you can see, the rotation is this one. While for negative angle, the rotation is this one. Still, the initial side is OA, and then the terminal side is OB. Let's try an example. In the given figure, we need to identify the terminal side of an angle in standard position with given measure. This is the illustration. What are we going to do? We're going to complete the measurement of the given angle. So we need to find angle BOC. Since angle AOB is equal to 70 degrees and angle AOC is perpendicular, therefore it is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, 90 minus 70, we have 20 degrees. Now for angle EOC is equal to 90 degrees. Angle EOD is equal to 45 degrees. To determine or to know the value of the angle BOC, we need to subtract 90 by 45 degrees and the answer is 45 degrees. Again, angle EOG is perpendicular and angle FOG is equal to 30 degrees. So to know the value of angle EOF, we need to subtract 90 by 30. Therefore, angle EOF is equal to 60 degrees. Next, we have angle AOG, which is equal to 90 degrees since they are perpendicular. And angle AOH is equal to angle GOH is equal to 75 degrees. Now, to find angle AOH, we need to subtract 90 by 75. And the answer is 15 degrees. So, already completed all the measurement of the given angle. Let us now find the terminal side of the angle measure 135 degrees. Since that is positive, the rotation is counterclockwise. So, we have 90 degrees for angle AOC. So since we are looking for 135 degrees, we're going to have this one. 90 plus 45, we have 135 degrees. So therefore, it will stop here. And the terminal side is OD. So therefore, segment OD is the terminal side for 135 degrees. Next, negative 290 degrees. So for negative 290 degrees, let's erase first this one. Okay, for negative 290 degrees, the rotation will be clockwise since that is negative. So we're going to have this one. So we have 90 degrees. I'm going to add another one. We have 90 plus 90, we have 180. But we're looking for 290. So 180 plus 90, the answer is 270. Still, we need to have another 20, and that's 20, this one. So 270 plus 20, that's 290. So therefore, this is the angle for negative 290 degrees. And the terminal side is this one. So therefore, the terminal side is segment OB. Let's try another example. We have negative 3 pi over 2 rad. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to transform 3 pi over 2 into degree measure. So we have 3 pi over 2 times 180 over pi. Cancel pi. 180 and 2 are both divisible by 2. So we have 2 divided by 2 is 1. 180 divided by 2 is 90. 90 times 3 is 270 degrees. So we're looking for negative 270 degrees. So to have negative 270 degrees, so the rotation will be clockwise. So let's erase the rotation for number 2. Okay. So again, we're going to count. So since it's clockwise, we're going to start here from this one. So we have 90 plus 90, we have 180. So plus 90, we have 270. So we already have negative 270 degrees. And the terminal side is OC. So therefore, the terminal side for negative 3 pi over 2 is segment OC. Let's try number 4, 345 degrees. For 345 degrees, let's erase first this one. For 345 degrees, we're going to have counterclockwise since that is positive. So the rotation will be this one. 90 plus 90, we have 180. Plus 90, we have 270. So plus 75, that's 345 degrees. So therefore, so it will end here. So the terminal side is OH. So therefore, for 345 degrees, the terminal side is segment OH. Let's try another example. 4 pi over 3 rad. Again, if it is in radian measure, we need to transform that into degree form. So 4 pi over 3 times 180 over pi. Cancel pi. 180 and 3 are both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 180 divided by 3 is 60. 60 times 4 is equal to 240 degrees. So since that is positive, the rotation will be counterclockwise. So I'm going to erase first this one. So let's have the rotation for 240 degrees. So the rotation will be counterclockwise. So this one, 90 plus 90, that's 180, plus 60, which is equal to 240 degrees. And the terminal side is this one, and that is segment OF. So for 240 degrees, the terminal side is segment OF. So that's all for today's discussion. Thank you and happy math learning.